Let's talk about the consonant plus LE syllable type because it's found in a lot of our words. Now, a consonant plus LE means a consonant and then we have the LE behind it. When you see a consonant plus LE syllable, you remember these 4 rules. Ready? The consonant plus LE always comes at the end of words, always at the end, okay? The consonant LE only occurs in multiple syllable words. In other words, words that have 2 claps, like fumble, table, or more, multisyllabic words. The E is always silent, but every syllable has to have a vowel. So this is the vowel for this syllable, but it's silent. And the LE by itself sounds like ul, ul, ul. Okay, so those are the 4 rules. Rule 1, it's at the end of words. Rule 2, it has to have more than 1 syllable. Rule 3, the E is silent. And rule 4, it sounds like ul, ul. Are you ready to practice some words? Let's do it. Okay, here is a big word with our consonant plus LE. We can see it has 2 vowels, so it's 2 syllables, but how do we break it? Well, this is the rule. Consonant plus LE, count back 3. 1, 2, 3, break up the word. Now we can sound out our word. Are you ready? Bull. Let's do it again. Ready? Bull. Okay, now let's say both of the syllables faster. Ready? Bull. Now let's say them together. Fumble. Fumble. Oh, in the football game, the man fumbles the ball. He drops it. It fumbles. Okay? Fumble. Good job. Okay, here's another consonant plus LE word. We see it has 2 vowels, so we know it's 2 syllables, but where do we break it? Remember the rule? Consonant plus LE, count back 3. 1, 2, 3. Split your word right there. Now we can sound it out. We see this is an open syllable, so we know that A says A. He says his name. So let's sound it out. Ready? Table. Let's do it again. Table. Good. Let's put them together. Table. Say it fast. Table. Yeah, that's the word. Table. Good job. Now we see another word with a consonant plus LE. We can see that there are 2 vowel sounds, so we know it's 2 consonants. So how do we know how to break up this word? Remember, consonant plus LE, count back 3. 1, 2, 3, separate. Now we can sound out our word. Are you ready? Bat. Tull. Bat. Tull. Say it fast. Battle. Battle. Put them together. Battle. Yeah, we had a battle in the backyard. Good job. Here is another one of our consonant plus LE words. You see there's the consonant, then LE. And our word has 2 vowels, so we know it is 2 syllables. So how do we find out where to break up the word? Consonant plus LE, count back 3. 1, 2, 3, split. Good. Now we can sound out our word. Sniff. Full. Do it again. Sniff. Full. Say it fast. Sniffle. Say it fast. Sniffle. Yeah. I have a little sniffle. I have to blow my nose. Good job. Here is another word with the consonant F plus LE. And we see we have our 2 vowels, so we know it's 2 syllables, and we need to break this word up too. So we're going to consonant plus LE, count back 3. 1, 2, 3, break. And we see this is an open syllable. It doesn't have anything right there, so it says its name. This says I. Now we can sound out our word. Rifle. Say it again. Rifle. Say it fast. Rifle. Yeah, rifle. Good job. Okay, we have a new consonant plus LE word. This is a DLE, which would say dull, dull. Now, we see we have 2 vowels, so we have 2 consonants, and we need to break our word apart in order to sound it out. So we're going to say our little saying, consonant plus LE, count back 3. 1, 2, 3, split the word. Now we can sound it out. Ready? Candle. Do it again. Candle. Say it fast. Candle. Oh yeah. Candle is the word. I love to have a candle in my bedroom. They smell so good. Here is another DLE word. We see our 2 vowels, so we know we have 2 syllables, and we need to break up the word. So we will say the saying, consonant plus LE, count back 3. 1, 2, 3, break it up. Now we can see our A is an open syllable. That means our A says A. So we can sound out our word. Ready? Cradle. Do it again. Cradle. Say it fast. Cradle. Say it fast. Cradle. Yes, our baby has a cradle. We lay the baby in a cradle. Good job. Here is another consonant plus LE word. This is GLE, gull, gull. We see in our word we have 2 syllables, so we need to know where to break it up. Consonant plus LE, count back 3. 1, 2, 3, split. Now we can sound out our word. Jungle. Do it again. Jungle. Say it fast. Jungle. 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 All right, monkeys live in the jungle. Good job. Here's another consonant plus LE word, KLE. That makes the sound cull, cull. And we see we have 2 vowels, so we have 2 consonants. So how do we break up the word? Consonant plus LE, count back 3. 1, 2, 3, split. Now we can sound out our word. And we know when we see A and K together, it has its own sound of ank, remember? So we have ankle, ankle. Right, the part of your body above your feet and the bottom of your legs is your ankle. Good job. Here's a new word with consonant LE. This one is PLE, pull, pull. We have 2 vowels. We have 2 consonants. We need to break the word apart. Consonant plus LE, count back 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now we can sound out our word. Apple, apple. Say it fast. Apple, apple. Yeah, this is the word apple. I love to eat apples. Okay, let's practice this word with a PLE. We have 2 syllables because we have 2 vowels, and now we need to break our word up. Consonant plus LE, count back 1, 2, 3. And there you go. Let's sound out our word. Sample. Do it again. Sample. Say it fast. Sample. Say it fast. Sample. I would like a sample of that pudding, please. In other words, just a little tiny bit. A sample. Here is another consonant plus LE word. ZLE says zul, zul, right? Now we have a new word to decode. It has 2 vowels, so it has 2 syllables, so we need to split this word apart. Consonant plus LE, count back 1, 2, 3. Now we can sound out our word. Puzzle. Good. Do it again. Puzzle. Say it fast. Puzzle. Yes, this is the word puzzle. You just read the word puzzle. Good job practicing consonant plus LE words.